Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So this is our 58th video of this PySpark video series. So today we will see the difference between full load and incremental load. Okay, this is a very important topic of the interview questions. Okay, I can say. So this is a very basic thing for any data engineers. What is full load and what is incremental load? That understanding you need to have as a data engineer. Okay, so we'll go through it first. Okay, so coming to our slide. So what is full load? So, full load. Full load is basically to extract the entire data set of from your source file. Okay, so in ETL full loading, the entire data set is replaced with a newly updated data set. Okay, it doesn't require to maintain any timestamp. All the existing system data will be replaced by newly obtained data set from the source system. Okay, तो फुल लोड में क्या होता है बेसिकली जो तुम्हारा सोर्स में जो डेटा है फुल फुल डेटा जो है और तुम्हारा एग्जिस्टिंग टारगेट सिस्टम में जो डेटा है उसको वो कुछ भी वो एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम का डेटा कुछ भी कैलकुलेट ही नहीं करेगा। वो जो तुम्हारा सोर्स सिस्टम में डेटा है उसको पूरा लाके वो एग्जिस्टिंग सेट में डाल देगा। If it is if some data is existing or not in the source system, that will not be checked. Okay, so the this full load is basically very much performance wise very much inefficient method. Okay, I can say it is basically required for some specific reason. Okay, so we'll see the example. Okay, so if I'll go for one example, so coming to my here, so you can see this data set. Okay, so in this data set, I don't have any date column. Okay, don't have any updated date column when the data is got updated or when the data is imported. We don't have any kind of timestamp column based on which we can fetch the data. Okay, so when you have a large data set of any kind of organizations and employees or and all, you don't remember the employee number now. You need to extract the data based on the timestamp. So this to this timestamp the data got updated, this to this timestamp the new data fetched. Based on that, in real time scenario, it is happened to fetch the data from the source system to the targeted system. Okay, so the this kind of method, full load is not usable without any timestamp related column, I can say. Okay, so अगर timestamp नहीं होगा तो based on which you can't fetch the data. Okay, at that time you only have the way to fetch the whole data, and whatever it is existing data and whatever it is the new data, all the data will be fetched from the source system and it will be put down to the target system. Okay, so in that reason the existing data which it is in targeted system, वो वाला data भी वो source से fetch होके आएगा. For that reason the resource will be utilized, and cost will be high also for the huge amount of load. The time will be much consumed, which should not be. Okay, अगर मुझे 5 डे सपोज 10 डेटा थे सोर्स सिस्टम में, उसमें से 5 डेटा ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट थे मेरे सोर्स सिस्टम में, मुझे और 5 डेटा को लाना है. ठीक है, पर जब मैं अगर मुझे मेरे पास कोई टाइम स्टैम्प वगैरह को कुछ भी फाइल नहीं होगा, तब मैं सिस्टम को कैसे पेज करूंगा? तब मुझे पूरा लोड पकड़ के मुझे देना पड़ेगा तो टारगेटेड सिस्टम में. तो मुझे वही 10 डेटा जो टारगेटेड सिस्टम में है उसको लेके ही जो सोर्स सिस्टम में है 10 डेटा, उसको लेके ही मुझे टारगेटेड सिस्टम में डालना पड़ेगा। अगर वो टारगेटेड सिस्टम में एग्जिस्ट भी है, वो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उसको उसको छोड़ के वो सोर्स सिस्टम से डेटा को फेच नहीं कर सकते। सो दिस इज द इशू आई कैन से। ओके, सो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को देख लेते हैं पहले। इट इन्वॉल्व्स एक्सट्रैक्टिंग ऑल द रिकॉर्ड्स फ्रॉम सोर्स रिगार्डलेस ऑफ वेदर दे हैव चेंज्ड और नॉट। ओके, जैसा मैंने बताया कि whether it is changed or not in source system, it will not consider. Okay, so this full loading methods, the second characteristic is this full loading method is used for the initial load or when the periodic or complete refresh of data is required. Okay, so basically when we have created a newly system where we need to extract the whole source load to the target system. We have created one day delta lake house or any data warehouse which is fully empty, where we need to put all the load from the source system. That time we can only use this full load method. Okay, there we no need to consider data that we need from this date to this date data, this date to this date update data. We don't need that. Okay, that time we need the whole amount of data जो मेरे पास ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा है उसको पूरा लेके वो लेक हाउस में और एनी काइंड ऑफ डेटा वेयर जो यूज कर रहे हो, कोई भी डेटा डेटा लेक जेन 2 और एनी डेल्टा लेक जो भी जो यूज कर रहा है उस वहां पे डालना है। ठीक है, तो इस टाइम में फुल लोड यूज होता है बेसिकली। इट कैन बी सेकंड का थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है, इट कैन बी यूज्ड, इट कैन बी रिसोर्स intensive, time consuming and not cost effective efficiently for large data set। जैसा मैंने पहले भी बताया, वो मैं ये ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा को भी फेच कर लेता है सोर्स से, तो क्या होता है, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होता है, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव नहीं होता है, रिसोर्स इंटेंसिव होता है, बहुत ज्यादा रिसोर्स चाहिए होता है। ठीक है, सो लार्ज डेटा सेट के लिए ये सब इशू होता है। ठीक है, but as the cause for this resource intensive time consuming, the performance decrease हो जाता है, performance decay होता है। तो performance wise this method is an inefficient method we can say, okay, for the data engineering perspective। okay, so if as I have given you this example, if I need to extract the data from here only, so what I need to do, I need to create suppose I need to I need to fetch some data using SQL। so in that case I will first create one temporary view for this। okay, if I create one temporary view and I'll make some SQL query here, select star from okay, here I can't use the where clause because I don't have that column। okay, where I can put I need from this date to this date data, or I need this date data where the data is got modified। okay, we need to fetch the whole data, we need to fetch the whole data। as you can see, it is fetching the whole data, whatever it is existed or not। okay, so it is taking much time। okay. But for the incremental load, what it is happening, let's see। so incremental load, it is the entire data set will not be replaced with a newly updated data set। okay, it will only upload the resource data that is different from the targeted system's existing data। जो टारगेटेड सिस्टम का एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा से डिफरेंट है उसी डेटा को ओनली फेच करेगा ये इंक्रीमेंटल लोड में, ठीक है। तो इसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है? इट इज ऑप्टिमाइज टू प्रोसेस ओनली द चेंज और न्यू रिकॉर्ड्स, रिड्यूसिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा ट्रांसफर्ड एंड इम्प्रूविंग परफॉर्मेंस। तो अगर ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा को फेच नहीं करेगा तो बेसिकली इसका रिकॉर्ड भी कम होगा। तो अगर डेटा का डेटा वॉल्यूम कम होगा तो तब what it will happen, the resource will not be utilized much more and time will be efficient, improve, it will also improve the performance. Okay, so these are the things that will happen. Okay, so it is basically very much uh, competent system, I can say. Okay, it is very and the second characteristic, it is very much suitable when a small portion of data needs to extract from a large data set. तो अगर मेरे पास तीन चार डेट का डेटा है, ओके, सपोज यू थिंक वी हैव डेटा फॉर द फर्स्ट जैन 2023, सेकेंड जैन 2023, थर्ड जैन 2023, ओके। तीनों डेट का डेटा है, ओके, फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड। बट मुझे आफ्टर दैट माइक मुझे जो डेटा एनालिटिक्स टीम है वहां से मुझे अपडेट आया कि फर्स्ट जेन का डेटा गॉट अपडेटेड, some data got updated, so you need to reprocess the data. So that time what you will do, you will not fetch the whole data, first second and third gen data, you will only fetch the first gen data. Okay, so in that case you can query the updated column with first gen data, okay, as there is the timestamp. Okay, so I'll show you the example lively. Okay, you don't need to worry. So it preserves, the third characteristic क्या है, preserves historical changes by selectively updating only the change data. That is also same. अगर मेरे पास historical data है तो इसको जहाँ पे चेंजेस हुआ है वही अपडेटेड कॉलम में अपडेट हुआ है तो उसके बेसिस पे डेटा फेच हो जाए, ठीक है। अगर हिस्टोरिकल जो भी हिस्टोरिकल डेटा में चेंज नहीं हुआ है वो उसको फेच नहीं करेगा, और ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग है मेरे सोर्स सिस्टम में हिस्टोरिकल डेटा भी, तो टारगेटेड सिस्टम में हिस्टोरिकल डेटा भी एग्जिस्ट है, उसको अपडेट भी नहीं करना चाहिए। अगर वो अपडेटेड नहीं है सोर्स में तो उसको क्यों अपडेट करे फिर से वो टारगेटेड सिस्टम में, ठीक है। तो इंक्रीमेंटल लोड इज ए वेरी मच competent system, okay, for using in data engineering. So I'll go so if I'll go for in our notebook, so मेरे पास बेसिकली एक बैच डेटा है, ठीक है, जिसको मुझे अगर मुझे इसको यहाँ से क्वेरी करके कुछ डेटा को निकालना है जो ऑलरेडी ये बैच फाइल में अपडेटेड है, ओके, तो तब मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा। तो यहाँ पे मुझे एक अपडेटेड कॉलम भी मिला है। तो सपोज माय एनालिटिक्स टीम have told me that we have the updated data from 4th January to 6th January. Okay, we don't need to fetch the data for 7th January. Okay, we only need to fetch from 4th to 6th data. So in that case, what we need to do? In that case, I can create one data frame here, one from data in using SQL. If I need to fetch the data, I need to create one temporary view. How to create the temporary view, that I have already told in my Databricks playlist. You can go and see. There are 56 video uploaded. Okay, please go and watch this video. It will be very much efficient for you guys, I can say. Okay, I have already uploaded here how to create the temporary view. Okay, you can see the temporary view. Okay, please go and watch it. YouTube is not recommending our video much more. I can say I'm seeing that I don't know how to improve this thing. Please you guys support us and share this video with your friends and all. Okay, and support us also. We need you guys support very much. Okay, please subscribe and see our videos. It will be very much efficient, I can say, for you guys to learn the data engineering. Okay, coming to our main topic. So if I'll create the temporary view here first, then I can SQL. If I want to use a SQL, you can also use the Spark, but I will use a SQL. Okay, select star, select star from in df1 view. Okay, where here we can use the where clause, where updated date, where updated date between. You can use the between function, SQL between function, between. What will be our updated date? 4 to 6. We do no need to consider the seventh one. My team is required. The analytics team is required the data from 4 to 6. So 4 to 6 in between 4 1 2022 and 6 1 2022. So we only need this three days data, okay, where the data got updated. So now you can see only this 3 days data. Okay. We don't need to fetch the whole data as well. Okay. So here the system, the uh, time will be reduced, and also mm, what I can say, system will be very much optimized when you will use for the large data set. Then will you will understand. I'm using it for the small data set, that's why the runtime and all you will not able to understand that how why it is same time it is required when the other when we will use the full load system. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, I can say, but when you will use it for the large data set, you will get to understand that how much this incremental load is efficient for extracting this kind of data set when the scenario is this kind that you need to page from this amount data, not the full data set. Okay. So I think you guys have understood the concept. Okay, you guys please do like, share, and subscribe our video if you like this. Okay, please go and watch it. There are lots of functions I have showed here in my channel. Okay, YouTube is not much recommending as we are new. Okay, but please, if you guys will help us, then we can build a strong community. Okay, we have also Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel. These are all channels are given to the YouTube video description. Okay, you guys can join in our channel for daily update and daily quiz also. We are posting quiz questions. Okay, in our channel, so you can participate on that. And the last thing, please help us, please stay with us. Okay, you guys support is very much required for us to grow our channel. Okay, thank you very much. We have other three playlists also, where we have seen we have shown the interview question. We are posting the interview questions and all. Okay, in playlist, if you will go to the playlist, Here we have one playlist for the real-time scenarios, one playlist for interview question series. These also you can go through. But if you are a fully beginner, please go first to the PySpark and database playlist. You will get to understand the basic functions from here, and after that you go this playlist. You will get understanding the fully whatever function we have used to resolve these issues. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please stay with us and support us. Thank you very much.